Welcome to HeartTalks, the channel where we delve into the intricacies of relationships. Today, we explore soulmates or strangers, exploring relationship dynamics. Relationships shape our lives, but have you ever wondered why some feel destined while others leave us feeling like strangers? Soulmates go beyond a perfect match. They're individuals who understand and complement us on a profound level. Yet, there are moments when we feel disconnected, like living with strangers. These moments can be opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Nurturing connection through communication, empathy, and shared experiences strengthens the bond. However, it's essential to recognize signs of incompatibility. Prioritize your well-being and have the courage to let go if the relationship is toxic or unfulfilling. Relationships are complex, and finding a soulmate doesn't guarantee a smooth journey. Stay true to your heart and embrace the lessons along the way. Thank you for joining us on HeartTalks. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay connected until next time.